Today we're practicing how to increase stitches in mirror knitting. We'll work M1R and M1L on both right and wrong sides. You'll build directional control and symmetry. Careful stitches build confident knitting. On the right side, make one right. Lift the strand from back to front. Knit through the front leg. Mirror increases improve coordination and reduce hand fatigue over long projects. Practicing both directions helps you avoid accidental holes. This creates a right-leaning increase that blends smoothly into the fabric. Keep your tension consistent. Even tension prevents visible gaps. Symmetry is the key to polished shaping. Keep your tension even and relaxed. Now make one left. Lift the strand from front to back. Knit through the back leg. Move steadily and without rushing. This balances the shaping with a clean left lean. Repeat slowly. Precision builds speed. Confidence follows control. Now the wrong side. Working both sides strengthens your pattern reading skills. Make one left with your left hand. Lift carefully and knit through the correct leg. Check the lean of each increase. Now make one right on the wrong side. Lift in the opposite direction. Knit through the appropriate leg. You've practiced M1R and M1L on both sides in mirror style. Repeat slowly until the movement feels natural. Your hands already understand more than you think. Let the stitches settle.